Welcome back to our Magratec Boom Kit installation series. We've cleaned our sprayer, now let's talk about pressure and flow. Before any installation, it is crucial to test the pressure on all equipment. This sets the baseline performance of the sprayer, which we aim to match after installing the Magratec system. Ensure all nozzle bodies are in good condition. Leaks, blockages, or worn out parts, replace or repair them. This also includes DCV and PWM parts. Now, we're ready for the pressure test. Using a pressure gauge and measuring cylinder, begin testing the system. Ensure the customer has the large nozzle installed for a thorough check. Set the sprayer to spray manually and set pressure. Output at given pressure should match the nozzle manufacturer's chart. You can use a jug or a spittoon or equivalent with an analog or digital pressure gauge. Inform the customer of any issues you find and have rectified or have marked or recorded to fix. Let's move to the testing procedure. First, verify the pressure using a gauge on the boom and cross-reference this with the display in the cab. Ensure that the parameters match and that the sprayer is correctly calibrated by cross-referencing the pressure and output with the nozzle manufacturer's application chart. Set your sprayer to spray, operating at full boom. Take readings from each section, focusing on the last nozzle to be supplied in that section. Record these results in the pre-post pressure flow check. Repeat this process for all the sections. Remember, careful and accurate recording is key. In our next video, we'll guide you through unpacking parts and inspecting magnetic rods and spacers, because a successful installation starts with careful inspection.